Hello viewers, let me share you the latest method of searching from image to link. I'll show you conventional demo of which we usually do and then the latest technique to reach from image to link directly. As you see, this is an image received on WhatsApp and it poses a link. So what we conventionally do, we look to the picture and then we type the link, and sometimes we type incorrect word or mistake of small or capital word or missing dot xyz. And finally, when we press enter, so the page cannot be displayed or the search goes to wrong page. So now let's see the latest method. Click on picture and then download button and click this sign to reach the image destination. Open Google and click on camera sign. And now let's see the magic. After clicking the image sign, click upload a file. And now Google will analyze it, locate it and click open, and the picture is displayed on Google. And now all the details including the organization who advertised this job. So in the left top corner you can see the service providers and a direct link, as well as on the left side you can see full detail of the job along with its link with much more detail. So you can reach by direct clicking or use copy paste, and this is the page which we traced from the image. Thanks for watching.